Another type of welding joint, the lap joint. As you see, we use again this type of welding process, the shielded metal arc welding, because it is commonly used in arc welding process carried out by a welder. This type of joint is commonly used of joining two metals with different thickness. It is formed when two metals are overlapped with each other and can it be welded in one or on both sides. After it is being welded, use a chipping hammer to remove the slag by striking. I hope you learned and you like my video. Thanks for watching.